To perform a water change, we are going to prepare the site and lay down some towels to protect the floor. If needed, take a water sample before you disturb the aquarium. Collect approximately 50 to 100 milliliters of water in a clean, sealed container. Before starting any maintenance, turn off the power to the aquarium. Wash your hands. If you have sensitive skin, consider putting on aquarium-safe gloves. Carefully lift and set the light aside, allowing it to hang from its cable, and remove the mesh lid. Clear space and lay towels on floor and the cabinet door to protect from water spillage. Salt water will corrode steel, so avoid spillages. Place the buckets to the side of the aquarium. Locate the water conditioner and hydrometer. Locate the pump and hose. Place the pump inside the large bucket. Hook the gooseneck over the edge of the aquarium. Close the valve on the hose. Now you're ready for water. Mixing salt water is simple, but it's the most important maintenance task. Use filtered tap water with minimal chlorine, nutrients, and heavy metals. Use a 20-liter bucket and fill it with 15 liters of water. Pour this water into the large bucket, then continue to fill to 45 liters. Add the tap water conditioner product to neutralize any residual chlorine in the water. Follow the label for the dosage. Measure the salt. 300 milliliters will make up 10 liters of salt water. Mix it with a couple of big swirls until dissolved. Test and adjust the water. Gently add the floating hydrometer to the water and allow to settle and float to capture salinity reading, approximately 1.024 or within the green marks. Add more salt to raise the salinity. Add fresh water to lower the salinity. Adjust the temperature slowly by adding 1 liter of hot water to 45 liters of water. Add additional hot water to adjust to 24 degrees Celsius. Before starting the pump, turn the valve on the siphon off. Plug the pump into the power. Now we can turn the valve on and start filling the aquarium. Caution: flooding risk. Never leave or get distracted when the siphon or pump is running. Once the water bucket is empty, turn the valve off and unplug the pump. Caution: turn the valve off to stop back siphoning from the aquarium to the bucket. Repeat mixing more water so we can complete filling the aquarium. Allow the water to fill the overflow chamber until the water spills over to the filter baskets. Stop the water flow. Turn the valve off. Remove the hose. The final water level adjustments will be done when the aquarium is powered and the pump running. Before applying power to the aquarium, unplug the ATO in the cabinet, then plug the aquarium into the mains power. Now the pump is running. The pump chamber is going to run dry, so you need to top up the water with about 3 liters of salt water. Check the water level in the pump chamber and add water until the green ATO water level sensor is submerged. Slightly over the sensor is okay. Adjust the circulation pump nozzle so it's sitting horizontal and facing the center of the aquarium. Caution: do not face the nozzle upwards, creating aggressive agitation which may create noise and salt creep. Now it is time to plug in the ATO. The ATO water level sensor flashes green, then establishes a solid green indicating the water level is stable. Now that your maintenance is finished, add the mesh cover back to the top. Hook the light cord underneath the auto feeder without inhibiting the rotation of the auto feeder. Place the light. Wipe down any water spillage off the glass with a towel from the cabinet. The aquarium water will be cloudy for a few hours because of the disturbance. The corals will take a few hours or even days before they are fully opened.
Thank you for watching.